Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to get voice chat on Roblox. So if you also want to get voice chat on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in roblox.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to get voice chat on Roblox, first of all you'll have to go to settings. Simply click on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see several options over here. At first you'll be able to see the option for settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here settings is opened. Make sure you're in the account info interface. So if you want to get voice chat on Roblox, first of all, you'll have to verify your age. You must be above 13 years. You can see your birthday over here. Make sure it is correct. Now here you'll be able to see the option for verify my age. All you have to do is click on it. Now proceed to identity verification. You have to provide a valid ID, which may be driver's license, passport, ID card, residence permit. In order to continue the identity verification, you'll have to continue with smartphone. Scan this QR code with your camera app in order to continue. After that, you'll be able to complete the identity verification. And after your identity verification is completed, all you have to do is click on the privacy option that you can see right over here. Now scroll down. Now under the camera input section, you'll be able to see the option for microphone input. And after that, you'll be able to get the voice chat. So if you're not above the 13 years of age, or if you do not have any government ID but still you want to get the voice chat, you might be able to do that by verifying your email address and phone number. All you have to do is click on the account info option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see the option for email address and phone number. Make sure you've verified your email address and phone number. The phone number option might not be available for all the reason. If it is available for you, make sure to verify it. And again, go to privacy section. Now scroll down. Under the camera input section, you might be able to see the option for microphone input. And after that, you'll be able to get the voice chat on Roblox. So that is how you get voice chat on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.